Hello students, good morning. In the previous class, acids, bases and salts, in this chapter we studied about acids and bases, properties of acids and bases, then chemical properties of acids and bases. Today we will study about what do all acids and all bases have in common. What do all acids and all bases have in common? In that we will study first one. What do all acids have in common? See, already we studied about that. When the acids reacts with the metal, it gives salt and produces the hydrogen gas. Means all the acids have similar chemical properties, like because they produce a hydrogen gas on reacting with metal. Means when acids reacts with the metal, they produce salt plus hydrogen. So this is the all the acids have similar chemical property because they produce hydrogen gas on reacting with metal. This one we already learned. This is the first property. What do all acids have common? All the acid produces hydrogen when they react with the metal. Second one, listen this carefully. Listen this, and also you have to practice this diagram in homework book. Okay, listen carefully. This diagram is acid solution in water conducts electricity. Which diagram is this one? Acid solution in water conducts electricity. Now we will study the procedure. Listen carefully. First, take a rubber cork. Take a rubber cork and fix two nails on its surface. Take a rubber cork and fix two nails on its surface. Now keep or place in the beaker. In the beaker. Keep in the beaker or place in the beaker. Connect the terminals. Connect the terminals to the nails. Connect the terminals of a 6-volt battery bulb switch to the nails. Now pour dilute hydrochloric acid. You can take dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, or alcohol or glucose. Here I am taking dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay. Now on the switch on. What happens? After some time, bulb will start glowing. What it shows, friends? It shows that acids conduct electricity. Acids conduct electricity through the acidic solution. Here I am taking the hydrochloric acid solution through the acidic solution by ions. This experiment confirmed that acids conducts electricity through the acidic solution by ions. Repeat this experiment by using dilute hydrochloric acid, by using sulfuric acid, by using alcohol, by using glucose. See, in dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute sulfuric acid, bulb will glow. Means acids conduct the electricity, but alcohol and glucose, when we are taking alcohol and glucose, bulb will not glow. So it shows that these do not conduct electricity. Okay, because these are not acids. From this experiment, we confirm that acids conduct electricity through the acidic solution by ions. For example, acids contain hydrogen ion H plus as a cation, plus is a cation, and anion such as chlorine. For example, in HCl, this is cation and chlorine is a anion. In H2SO4, hydrogen is cation, SO4 is a anion. See, such as Cl in HCl, NO3 in HNO3, SO4 in H2O4. These are the anions. Okay, these all kinds of hydrogen as a cation. Understood? Then acids produces hydrogen ions. ions which is responsible for their acidic properties. This is the what do all acids have in common. What they have? They produce hydrogen when they react with the metal. This is the first common property. Second, all the acids conduct electricity in acidic solution by ions. Second one. And third one, acids produce hydrogen ions which is responsible for their acidic properties. These are the common properties of in the all the acids. Okay, students. Now we will study what do all bases have in common. Just now we studied what do all acids have in common. Now we will study what do all bases have in common. See, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. These all are bases. These all are bases, but these all are in the solid state. Okay. When these bases dissolve in the water, sodium hydroxide is in solid state. When it dissolves in the water, what happens? It produces sodium, aqueous sodium, as well as the aqueous OH hydroxide. Second, potassium hydroxide, when it is dissolved in the water, it produces aqueous potassium and aqueous hydroxide. Third, magnesium hydroxide, when it dissolves in the water, it produces aqueous magnesium, aqueous hydroxide. What is common in these reactions? All these bases, they produce hydroxides. They produce hydroxide ions in water. So these reactions show that bases generate the hydroxide ions in water. What they generate? Bases generate hydroxide ions in water. Understood? And the bases which are dissolved in the water or bases which are soluble in water, they are called alkalis. What are alkalis made? For one word, bases which are soluble in water, they are called as alkalis. Understood? See, now we see the neutralization reaction. Acid produces hydrogen ions. Acid produces hydrogen ions. Bases produce OH ions. Okay? When acid and bases react with each other, they produce salt and water. This is the reaction. Acid when reacts with the base, they produce salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Understood, students? Students, just now we studied about the what do all acids and all bases have in common. And now we will study some important points which are related to the science students. See, these are the acids: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. You already know about these: HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. These are concentrated. Potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. These are the bases because it contains the OH. Mixing of acids and bases in water is an exothermic one. Remember, mixing of acid and bases with water, that is exothermic reaction. See this picture carefully. Slowly add the acids in water with constant stirring. Okay, this is the correct process. Adding of acids in water slowly with stirring continuously. This is the correct process. Remember, don't add water in acids. Don't add water in acids because it produces the heat and sometimes it comes splash out and causes the burn. So this is the wrong method. Understood? Mixing of acids and bases with water is an exothermic reaction. So mixing of acids and bases with water, care should be taken. Those cases are mix the acid in water, with water, slowly by stirring with glass rod. Okay, this is the correct method. Don't mix the water directly into the acid because it produces the heat and also causes the burns. Okay, this is the wrong method. Understood? And see this one, dilution. Dilution process of mixing acid or bases with water. What happens? Then decrease in the concentration of ions like hydrogen and OH ions per unit volume. This process is called dilution. Remember what is dilution? Dilution is the process of mixing the acids and bases with water to decrease in the concentration of hydrogen and OH ions per unit volume. Understood, friends? And the remaining section we will study in the next class. Okay?